Hello everyone, it's Olive again. I'm so happy to see you back on the IELTS Speaking Listening Test Passive Listening channel. Today, we will continue practicing IELTS listening and speaking to help you improve your skills and feel more confident in the exam. Thank you for always following and supporting me. Let's dive into today's new lesson. Listening practice for IELTS is one of the most important sections of the IELTS exam. Your score in the listening section not only reflects your ability to understand English, but also shows your concentration skills and ability to process information quickly. However, not everyone knows how to practice listening effectively. This article will share 5 basic but extremely effective steps to help you improve your IELTS listening skills and achieve a high score. Step 1. Understand the structure of the IELTS listening test. To practice listening effectively, the first thing you need to do is understand the IELTS listening test. This section consists of 4 parts with a total of 40 questions and lasts about 30 minutes. Designed to test your ability to understand conversations and lectures in English, this section requires you to master listening comprehension skills and information processing ability. Detailed structure of the listening test. Part 1. A conversation between 2 people about a topic in everyday life. For example, booking a flight, finding accommodation. The questions typically require you to fill in the blanks or choose the correct answer from a list. Part 2. A monologue about a topic related to social life. For example, a lecture about a park or a museum. The questions in this part usually require you to fill in details or select the correct answer. Part 3. A discussion between a group of people about an academic or professional topic. For example, a conversation about scientific research, a project plan. The questions ask you to answer detailed questions about what has been discussed. Part 4. An academic lecture from a lecturer on topics such as science, art, or social studies. The questions require you to take notes and answer detailed questions about the lecture. Why it's important to understand the test structure helps you prepare mentally and understand the requirements of each section. Allows you to choose the right method of listening practice for each type of question. Helps you manage your time effectively during the test. Step 2. Identify and improve necessary listening skills. To score high in the IELTS listening section, you need to improve basic listening skills such as the ability to listen for details, recognize vocabulary, and predict information. Here are some key skills you need to focus on. Listening for details. This is the ability to hear and understand specific information in a conversation or lecture, such as names, dates, numbers, or locations. To improve this skill, you need to practice listening to passages that contain lots of detailed information and learn how to remember this information while listening. Vocabulary recognition. In the listening test, you will encounter many technical terms or less common vocabulary. To improve your vocabulary recognition, you should practice listening to conversations or lectures with new vocabulary and learn how to recognize these words during practice. Step 3. Practice listening with various materials. One of the most effective ways to improve your listening skills is to practice with a variety of materials. Here are some resources you can use for IELTS listening practice. 1. IELTS sample tests. Using sample IELTS listening tests is a great way to familiarize yourself with the format and types of questions in this section. You can find sample tests on official IELTS websites, such as IELTS.org, or in IELTS preparation books, like the official Cambridge Guide to IELTS. 2. English podcasts. Listening to English podcasts helps you get used to natural conversational speech. Podcasts like BBC Learning English, VOA English Special, are great resources for listening practice. 3. English films and videos. Watching films and videos in English is an extremely effective way to improve your listening skills, especially when you watch movies with subtitles. You can choose films or videos that cover topics similar to those in IELTS, such as academic, social, and daily life themes. 4. Academic lectures. Listening to academic lectures from top universities is also very helpful. You can find lectures from TED Talks, YouTube, or websites like Coursera and edX. These lectures will help you get used to academic tone and vocabulary, which is valuable for the listening section. Step 4. Practice listening with strategies and clear goals. Listening practice should not be random. It should have a clear strategy. Here are some listening strategies to help you achieve the best results. 1. Practice with a goal. Each time you practice listening, you should have a clear goal. For example, you could set a goal to recognize new vocabulary, remember details from the passage, or learn to understand difficult questions. Setting goals helps you stay focused and make faster progress. 2. Practice in small parts. To avoid feeling overwhelmed when listening to long passages, you should break the practice into smaller parts, such as listening for 5 to 10 minutes at a time and practicing repeatedly. After listening, take notes on important information and try to answer questions related to the passage. 3. Don't just listen, do exercises. Listening practice should not just be about listening once and stopping. You should combine it with exercises related to the passage, such as filling in blanks, answering multiple choice questions, or writing summaries. Doing exercises will help reinforce your knowledge and improve your listening skills effectively. Step 5. Practice regularly and evaluate progress. Finally, to achieve good results in the IELTS listening section, you need to practice regularly and continuously evaluate your progress. Persistent listening practice and monitoring your progress will help you identify your weaknesses and improve them. 1. Create a weekly listening practice plan. Spend at least 30 minutes a day or 2 to 3 hours per week practicing listening. Set a fixed listening schedule and stick to it for noticeable progress. You should also change the materials to avoid getting bored. 2. Evaluate progress. After each week of practice, you should assess your progress. You can take a sample IELTS test to see how much you've improved. If your score isn't where you want it to be, adjust your listening strategy and focus on areas that need improvement. IELTS listening practice is not just a challenging journey. It's a great opportunity to improve your language skills and explore the world through sound. If you persist with the listening steps I've shared, I believe you will see significant progress in your ability to understand and listen to English. Remember, Olive is always here to accompany you on every step of your learning journey. Don't forget to follow the channel and share Olive's valuable lessons with your friends so we can learn and grow together. Wishing you great success in your IELTS exam.